Welcome to Enchanted Lane, Anchor Realty's newest midterm rental. We are here in Southern Virginia Beach in a very adorable neighborhood that is right next to Dam Neck Base. Very spacious home with a gorgeous backyard, perfect for any family that is coming to the area, whether you're transitioning here, you're here for work, for a few months. We would absolutely love to host you. As you can see, we're here in the living room. We have a TV already set up for you with nice sound bars so you can get the full experience in your movies. If you want to sit down for your dining, whether that's just a breakfast snack or dining as a whole family. As you can see, we have a fully equipped kitchen, including a dishwasher, refrigerator, stove, microwave, oven, and everything you need to prep your food, to store it. It really does have everything. Coming out of the kitchen here, it's a second way to get to the living room. Here's a garage right here on the left. Here's another sitting area with a gas heated fireplace. If you want to set up a computer here for everyone to play with, for my gamers out there, this is for you. Very open, comfortable living room, and this leads directly to the backyard. Spacious backyard. So you can see this is perfect for a pet, fully enclosed, fenced in yard. We have a fire pit out here. There actually is a hammock just around the corner. Gorgeous walkway, very well done backyard that you can enjoy on beautiful sunny days like today. And moving back into the home, there's actually even a puppy door here for those who have pets. This is going to be a pet-friendly rental. Your second way to get to the living room, just from the front door here. And we'll head upstairs to the living area. So all the bedrooms are up here. This is a 4-bedroom home. There is a safety gate for anybody with young children. We have you in mind. This is a hall bathroom designed to be shared between the 3 bedrooms we will see here. Here's bedroom number 1. It has a full bed in it. You will get all the linens included in your stay. Plenty of storage. We have these armoires for you, walk-in closets in every bedroom. Moving on to the second bedroom. I apologize, we are picking up the comforter today, but it will look just like the bedroom next door. Another full bedroom with a walk-in closet. Very spacious. And here's that bathroom shared with everybody. It is a tub shower combo, so if you have young kids that need to get bathed, or if anybody loves showering and taking a bath sometimes, there you go. And moving into the next bedroom, this is also, this is a queen bedroom. Again, another walk-in closet, views of the quiet neighborhood. This is coming on the market just in a few days, so be on the lookout for this. And finally, our master suite with, of course, a king bedroom. Plenty of space in here for everyone to get comfortable. A beautiful private bathroom with a walk-in shower. No tub in here. And a very spacious closet. We even have ironing boards and irons for you. This house really does have everything you need. We hope you love it, and we can't wait to host you. See you soon.